on the paper.
Not bad, eh?
Woo, man. Woo.
Yeah.
Daddy's a natural born killer.
You and your soul, you and yourself, when you're hanging your head. Whoa.
So we're gonna do that. Oh, it's nice and light.
Block 7, it's all plastic.
Yeah. All right.
So again, similar to the other 22.
Got that low.
Yeah, it's gonna be stiff.
Might as well. This is chatting with your
Don't be scared. Just pull it.
Wow, that was crazy. All right, I was not expecting that one bit. Holy crap.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
Now
I
four more.
might hit the ceiling there. Oh, no.
You hit right at the bottom, right hand corner. About 7 o'clock. Empty. Release the mag.
All right. How would you do that again?
Right here.
Right there.
Yeah, pull the mag out. And leave the gun in that position just like so. Perfect.
So paper at least. That first one, I bet you, I don't know where it went. I was like pulling, I was like, oh, where did it? Oh my word!
I know.
That's not bad. I'll take
That's
that.
really good.
That's not bad. Cool. That was fun.
4 to 5. That's really good.
Yeah.
For a first timer.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Woo-wee. Are you shooting
Oh, a lot of low. A lot of low. I've hit the paper, but
You're
it's
hitting the paper though. That's half the battle.
yeah.
You know.
But I feel like my eye line is going right, like I'm following the dot
Okay.
right on there.
Yeah.
But I guess I gotta bring it up just a little bit. But at least I hit the paper. That's all that matters.
Good job.
That's all right, here we are at the Glock 21. Oh yeah. Load this bad boy. This thing.
Right there. Pull it down. Pull it down. Nope. Nope. Yeah.
Oh,
There you go. You're live.
all right, we're live.
Okay.
So I'm not allowed to point this that way. So.
No.
All right, here we go.
There we go.
This is gonna scare me.
Now, just pull it tight.
All right, I'm holding it tight. Here we go. Got it below, eh? Belly button, belly button.
Okay.
All right.
Bring that baby.
All right, what we got here?
He's a paper killer.
Holy moly! That was pretty good. Holy crap. That was my first shot.
I know.
And I was like pulling that trigger, you know, that down, but here I figured it out. Oh, that's all right. That's not too bad. I'll take
That's
that.
good. Chris Vector, 45 cal.
All right, so there we go.
Woohoo!
Flip
Yep.
right here.
All the way in. Good.
Okay.
Okay, point it down range more so. Point it, keep it muzzle down.
All right.
Wait, shoulder up a little higher.
Okay.
And then hit your release. Yep. And you're live.
Now live. Take my
You're
seat
live.
up.
Yep.
All right.
It's a real stiff trigger.
If my face is on this, I'm gonna get punched in the face.
No.
Okay.
Well, it'll kick a little bit. Don't be a wuss.
But for a storm.
my eyes. I was just sure. I was like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a different beast altogether. I think you missed one shot.
I know I missed one because I could feel myself waver. I think I get a little better
Yeah.
like grip
You
on
seemed
it.
like you had it too far out.
I felt that way too.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get my eye on the
Yeah.
thing. Magnum.
Yeah.
This is like Dirty Harry kind of thing.
Like Dirty Harry.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
This one's gonna blow your dad's hair off. You gotta cock your hammer back. It's not bad. Yeah. Butterfinger.
Not too bad. Like I had that one. I would have shot my partner if I was a cop. That was just like.
I know. That's why you gotta keep